In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best OBD2 scanners available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the OBD2 scanners mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Launch X431 Elite OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. The Launch X431 Elite is an advanced OBD2 diagnostic tool compatible with all OBDII-compliant cars. It features 30 reset functions for daily maintenance and auto-detect technology for quick vehicle information access. With lifetime free software updates, this tool ensures seamless functionality for evolving vehicle systems. Perfect for both professionals and car enthusiasts, the Launch X431 Elite combines convenience and reliability at an incredible value, offering cutting-edge diagnostics at a significantly discounted price. Number 4, Thinkcar BD6 All-in-One OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. The Thinkcar BD6 is a versatile OBD2 scanner tailored for DIY mechanics and car enthusiasts. Supporting 12 languages for global usability, it provides full system diagnostics for OBDII/EOBD cars. With lifetime free updates, 5 reset options, and quick Bluetooth setup for Android and iOS, it ensures effortless car maintenance. Compact and user-friendly, the Thinkcar BD6 is a powerful yet affordable diagnostic solution for precise and efficient vehicle analysis, offering exceptional value for its price. Number 3, OBDLink MX Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. The OBDLink MX is a professional-grade OBD2 scanner offering OEM-level diagnostics beyond generic data. It features free unlimited OEM-specific data add-ons and battery-saver sleep mode to prevent battery drain. Renowned for its ultra-fast Bluetooth connectivity, this tool works seamlessly across devices. Designed for professionals and serious enthusiasts, the OBDLink MX is the ultimate solution for accurate and advanced vehicle diagnostics, delivering unmatched speed, reliability, and functionality. Number 2, Foxwell NT630 Plus Advanced OBD2 Scanner. The Foxwell NT630 Plus is a must-have for auto mechanics, offering advanced features like brake pad resets for EPB systems and ABS/SRS diagnostics with SAS calibration. It provides comprehensive OBD2 checks, live data viewing, and coverage for vehicles up to 2023 models. Reliable and precise, this tool simplifies complex maintenance tasks, making it ideal for professional use and DIY enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance and exceptional functionality. Number 1, TOPDON TopScan Lite Smart OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. The TOPDON TopScan Lite is a smart OBD2 scanner supporting diagnostics for over 60 vehicle brands. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 for easy connectivity, it offers bidirectional control for accurate analysis and a comprehensive DTC repair guide for seamless troubleshooting. With quick and reliable diagnostics, the TOPDON TopScan Lite is an essential tool for both professionals and car owners, delivering advanced functionality and unbeatable value for effective vehicle maintenance.